Namaste, children. Good morning. Yesterday you'll have done with the snare poem. Most of y'all have sent me the worksheet, and some of y'all, as usual, you don't do it, and I have stopped bothering about it. The people, those who send it to me, I shall react to them. That's all. Yeah. And after I tell you also, send it immediately. You people don't do. You take things for granted. I don't know what to say. Okay, let me forget. Yeah. Today is the concept of adverbs. So you know what is verb, right? You'll have seen kinds of verbs: transitive, intransitive, be form, have form, do forms, all the forms you have learned. And today it's the topic of adverbs. The In the word adverbs, there is a word called verbs. So what does this verb? Verbs are nothing but the action words. What will this adverb do? It describes a verb. We know adjective, right? Adjective describes the noun. Yes or no? Yeah, you have seen comparative, superlative, positive, yeah, what not you all have learned this time. It is adjective. But this is adverb which describes a verb. Adjective describes a noun and adverb describes a verb. It tells when, where, or how an action is done. That is very important. If you remember, last year I had done with the adverbs, saying that adverbs of quality, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, same thing. Instead of, I have modified by telling it tells when, where, how an action is done. When the action is done, where the action is done, and how an action is done. Okay, adverbs of quality describes adverbs of manner itself describes how the verbs have done, how the action is taken place. Okay, adverbs of place describes where the action is done, whether it's inside, outside, up, below. Adverbs of time says when the action is done. That's all. ಇಲ್ಲಿ adverbs of manner, place, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ವೆನ್, ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯೆಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ, ಸೂನ್, ಟುಡೇ, ಲೇಟರ್, ಟುಮಾರೋ. Okay, where it is adverbs of place: here, inside, up, below, over. Okay, even a place name also in the classroom. Okay, outside, the near that pond, near the corridor, that place also includes where. How quickly the action is done, how slowly, how carefully, how loudly, how softly. Okay, so it's very easy to identify the adverbs, especially the manners. Manners can be easily identified by adding ly to it. Yeah, okay, by adding ly. Many of the adverbs ends with ly. So that is how we say it is adverbs of manner. That is how. I can walk quietly down the corridor. How can you walk? I can walk quietly. So quietly, walk is a verb. Quietly is the adverb. We played outside during free time. Recess anta kottidare. Recess means it's not, don't read as recess. It is recess. Recess means during free time. Okay, outside. We played outside. So where did you play? Outside. So played becomes verb, outside becomes adverb. Yeah. So adverbs modify verbs. Okay, adverbs can tell us when, where, in what way, to what extent. She is completely submerged. Completely submerged ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀರೊಳಗಡೆ ಮುಳುಗೋಗೋದು, ಡ್ರೌನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಮರ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಮರ್ಜ್ಡ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಲೇಟರ್. ಲೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್. ವೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್? ಲೇಟರ್. That is adverb of time. Okay, where? We swam outside. He played softly. Yeah. My cousins will arrive tomorrow. I am very excited. Arrive is a verb. Which is the adverb? Tomorrow. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವರ್ಬ್ ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Yeah. So, my cousins will arrive tomorrow. So, tomorrow is a adverb. He suddenly fell on the ice. He started to cry loudly. Okay. Cry is a verb. Fell is also a verb. Loudly is the adverb. So, this sentence shows that there can be two verbs and one adverb. Or there can be two adverbs and one verb also. Let us see. Please set the dishes here. I will wash them later. Here. Please set the dishes here. Here ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So it is adverbs of place. I will wash them later. ಟೈಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Later. When? ಯಾವಾಗ? When will you wash? Later. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಡಿಶಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದೆ? ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಡಿ ಡಿಶಸ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವಾಶ್ ದೆಮ್ ಲೇಟರ್. ಓಕೆ. Kerry impatiently yawned while I nervously bit my nails. Impatiently shows adverbs. Yawned ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು? ವರ್ಬ್. ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಆಕಳಿಸೋದು. ಅಂತ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ. Okay, Kerry impatiently yawned. Yawned is a verb. Impatiently is the adverb. So, fourth one shows you adverb followed by a verb. ಹೌದಾ? adverb ಬಂದು ಫಸ್ಟು, ಆಮೇಲೆ verb ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay. When I nervously bit my nails. Bit is a verb. Nervously is the adverb. Adverb of manner. Impatiently, nervously ಎರಡು manner ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Adverb of manner. Yeah? Okay. Hope you have understood with the adverbs. A small worksheet. You have to write this into your classwork. Please write the heading adverbs and please copy this worksheet completely. Complete the sentences. He swims. The box, it is here. He swims quickly. Outside. Here. Now. Well, see what you will fill it up. He ran quickly. She spoke well. He dash gets me. He now gets me. Check ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. She plays the piano beautifully. She will plant her garden here. The children love to play outside. She arrived quickly for the meeting, or she arrived early for the meeting. Early there. Okay. The movie is starting now. This spaghetti is nicely delicious. Agala. This spaghetti is well delicious. Allah. Quite delicious. Yeah. This spaghetti is quite delicious. Yeah. Okay. So this is about the adverb worksheet. Write it. Please do send it to me. I shall cross check. There is one more here. Circle the adverbs and underline the verbs that they describe. You have to circle the adverbs and you need to underline the verbs. We finally got our grades from the test. Which is the verb and which is the adverb? Got is a verb. So you need to underline the verb. Circle the adverb. Finally. Finally ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು circle ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Because that is the adverb. Jack walked his dog to the park quickly. The balloon rose quickly in the sky. We danced merrily around the schoolyard. Lisa watched the ball game closely. The player boldly ran from base to base. My mom cares deeply about me. I almost ate a rotten apple. Tom plays football outside. I already finished my homework. This is what you need to do. Please copy the sentence, underline the verbs and circle the adverbs. Both the worksheets have to be completed and you need to send it to me today itself. Don't take your own sweet time. Okay, ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. No, I'm sorry. Okay, write a sentence, underline the verbs and circle the adverbs. This you have to do. Okay, what you're supposed to do, you should make a sentence of your own, 2 sentences. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, adverbs ಇರಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, adverbs ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That is what you have to do. Hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a good day.